This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the arm away from the screen until it locks. Then rotate the blade 90 degrees. Pull the blade from the hook of the arm and slide it from place. Slide the blade over the end of the arm and pull it firmly into the hook. Lower the arm gently down to the screen. Rotate the blade slightly, then pull it from the arm. Align the blade pivot pin with the notch in the arm and press it firmly into place.